Hi everyone. In this video we are going to talk about the manufacturing engineering program at Ain Shams University. I am Mohammed El-Beheiry. I am the manufacturing engineering program unit head at Ain Shams University. To study manufacturing engineering, we start with the basic engineering requirement. You must study mainly few courses. They are basically physics, chemistry, mathematics, dynamics and statics, some engineering program like computer engineering, like engineering drawing, basic engineering processes, manufacturing processes. All these are engineering required. All engineers must know. All students at the Faculty of Engineering in Shams University are studying. While we are studying this, we start to have some of the mechanical engineering requirement courses, because the manufacturing engineering is part of the mechanical engineering discipline. So we start to study the courses about the heat, about the flow of fluids. Some of the manufacturing courses also are considered basic mechanical. So we start with this mechanical engineering drawing. So we study the mechanical engineering requirement course. After this, we start with the basic manufacturing processes, focus on the manufacturing process and on design. As we said in the video of what our manufacturing engineering is, we said that we design products, we design machinery, we design process. So you must have a knowledge about how to design all this stuff. And of course, we focus then on the manufacturing engineering process, the mostly or the basic manufacturing engineering process. Then we have to focus on two things. The basic manufacturing management, we said that we manage. The factory managers all of them are manufacturing engineers. So you must learn how to manage the factory, or actually how to manage any business. So we study management in the manufacturing engineering program. And then we have the advanced manufacturing technologies. This can be split into very advanced manufacturing processes like the 3D printing, for example. If you know 3D printing, you can Google it, or the additive manufacturing, the new manufacturing engineering process, and the automation. We must study automation a lot because in the factories we have many automated machinery. So you must know how to manage this machinery, how to run this machinery. A part of our study is related to automation. Then we give you the opportunity to have some concentration in your study through selecting 4 elective courses. You can choose between in advanced manufacturing engineering concentration. In the advanced manufacturing engineering concentration, you can select 4 courses which are mainly related to automation and robotics. You can select these 4 courses in this area, or you can focus on and of course perform your graduation project in this area. This represents 10% of your study. Or you can focus on the manufacturing management area to have this 4 elective courses in manufacturing management and your graduation project in manufacturing management. While you're studying all of this, you must have some university requirements. The university requirements are focusing on the skills, soft skills you have, like communication skills, writing skills, presentation skills. You have some 6 courses covering various types of skills. Marketing, for example, accounting, one of the courses. Some of them are skills and some are maybe not in the directly related or not of the core of the engineering discipline as the marketing. And for example, we have this innovation course, entrepreneurship course, creativity, or we have a lot of courses covering these areas. in order to graduate, you must spend field training for 12 weeks. We have many options in the field training. For example, after your second year in the university, you will have 4 weeks of training. Usually you spend in the faculty, in the workshop of the faculty, to introduce you some hands-on. We know that we are manufacturing engineers, we don't work with our hands, we manage and design, but you must have the feeling of the processes. So this basically is done in our university, in the workshop and the laboratories of our university. Then after you finish the third year, we encourage you to go to some of the factories in Egypt. We have some agreements with factories, so we have this opportunity. After your third year, you have the option to spend the rest of the 4 weeks needed in field training in Egyptian factories, or sometimes we have opportunity to send you to some of our partner university to have some advanced engineering courses at this university, and we count them from your training. Or sometimes we invite some of the industry professionals to give you these courses in our campus. We have a lot of agreements with many universities that we can spend the 4 weeks, last 4 weeks at. We have El-Beheiry University in China, Birmingham. They have the opportunity to do your graduation project in Birmingham. Sometimes we do this. TU Clausthal, you can spend 4 weeks of training in Germany, in Clausthal. Sapienza, we have an agreement, but of course, of the COVID, the agreement didn't work this year, that you spend a whole semester there, but this is, and we credit transfer that we count the courses you have in Sapienza as equivalent courses in our. Of course, we have a dual degree agreement. You spend 5 years studying here in Egypt, but you will get 2 degrees, one as in manufacturing engineering from Ain Shams University, the other as manufacturing engineer from University of East London. Why this is important? Because to have the second British degree, we have audits came to our process from the QAA, which is the Quality Accreditation and Assurance for Higher Education in Britain. We have the last visit last year. They visited our laboratories. They visited all to check that we have a high quality education in our university. Each student portfolio, what I mean by student portfolio, all your exams, all the assignments you submit, all the quizzes are gathered, and these are sent each year to East London to review it, and East London send it to another professor in another British university to be assured that we are presenting a very high quality education in Ain Shams. Thank you for your listening, and if you have any question, please do not hesitate to send me an email or contact us through our Facebook group or send me a Twitter DM on this account. Thank you very much.